Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi to view available networks. Find the network you are connected to and tap the small eye icon beside it. Scroll down and tap Configure DNS to open DNS controls. If Configure DNS is set to manual, tap Manual and remove each server entry one by one. To restore ISP DNS, switch the setting to Automatic. Confirm by closing settings and reloading a website to ensure DNS changes took effect. Open Settings and choose General, then tap VPN and Device Management to view profiles. Look for any configuration profiles that set a DNS server or filtering service. Tap the profile name and choose Remove Profile to delete DNS settings applied by that profile. Next, check for any DNS apps or VPN apps that route DNS and uninstall those apps if you want to stop custom DNS. Finally, restart the iPhone to clear cached DNS entries and ensure changes fully apply. Cellular DNS cannot be cleared from Wi-Fi settings, so open Settings and tap Cellular to check data usage. If you used a VPN or DNS app for cellular DNS, open that app and disable its DNS or uninstall it entirely. Restart the iPhone after removing any profiles or apps. This clears the DNS cache and reverts to carrier DNS. To confirm, open Safari and load a known website or use a network diagnostic app to view current DNS servers. If websites resolve normally, your iPhone is no longer using a custom DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.